My friendly Robin. No? Look at that. Oh.
See how he's finding his food? But he ate a worm, darling. I watched him gobble it up. He dug it from the base of the pot.
Really?
Yeah, and then he dragged it over to the gooseberry bush, give it a few flicks and give it a good slapping as he flicks it round, and then gulped it down, the whole worm. It was like 2 inches long. So she's had a good meal. Oh, sorry, it's a he, because he's got a red breast.
Yellow.
No, it's red. They always refer to it as a red breast.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and he's
It's a golden. Oh.
he's a young man looking for his female friend.
Where is
You
the?
know the life cycle of a robin?
Oh,
It's only 2 to 3 years. Dearest.
really?
They only live 2 or 3 years. That's their life cycle. But if you have a good summer, they'll have a couple of litters of.
Hello, you. You come? You come near?
She's getting very friendly, isn't she?
You wanna? Hello. You're allowed to eat the worms. Look at you. Look at you. You're allowed to eat the worm.
That's why we don't
Any
want a cat.
worms.
You're never going to get the birds doing this house otherwise. You know.
Oi, look at you. You're so brave. You're so brave.
And I will
Coming
move slowly.
round, look.
Move slowly, then you won't frighten.
Yeah, no, look. Wow. Wow. Where is your boyfriend, girlfriend? Girlfriend? You have to find a girlfriend. Look at you, oh. Ne? Wow. Oh. Brave, you're brave.
She's a right little show off. Right little poser, isn't she?
Yeah. He knows that. He likes the video. He likes the camera. Oh, look at that, oh.
Wow. Yeah,
Wow.
hung around a lot.
Yeah, look, oh.
You could have, I should have done a video.
Yeah. Look at that, oh. It's a fascinating life of the bird as well, isn't it? Of any bird.
Actually, so far, it's the robin that's been the friendliest in our garden. We've had tits, we've had blue tits, we've had
Right.
even wren.
Yeah.
Did you go another worm?
Yeah. Is that the worm?
Oh no, it's like a little creature though. It's a little bug. She was swallowing. Oh, it could be a tiny worm. Yeah. Oh, we don't want it.
Where are your companion? Huh? Where are they? You got no companion. You got no friend. Are you a loner too?
Yeah, she likes the company. Oh, sorry, we keep saying she. It's a he.
Yeah. Where is your companion?
Wow, look at
Oh,
that.
look at
bird
you.
showing off his breast now.
Yes, look at that, oh. Eddie, wow. Look at this birdie, oh.
You'll also find
So brave.
as long as he stays healthy and doesn't get
Yeah, you're allowed in our
eaten by a
garden.
cat, he'll be a frequent visitor now.
Oi, eat some more. Would you like some fig? Eat some fig.
You know what we have to get? A little bird bath.
Yeah, you should, you know.
Yeah, we could put it in that gap over there
Yeah.
in the sun. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at you. You're so brave.
Oh yeah, because having it full of water, it's only a little tray it has to be. It'll always attract the birds, won't it? These old.
Sa loner na.
Ain't got that.
Oh no, he flew away.
Sitting in the fig tree now.
He flew away. Look at that. Oh. Have some fig. You're allowed to. You're allowed to eat fig. Fig fruit. Oh, look at you. Where
They
are
won't
you?
peck through a fig unless it's overripe, then they'll eat some of the.
You came back. Look at you. You're so handsome. Wow, you come back. Wow. Look at you. You really like showing off, do you?
Well, I'm not.
Oh,
I think.
look at you. Oh, oh.